Miles is getting tired. He's not happy with his sled selection anymore. Almost. Now it's just in a downright impaling situation. Oh, that's good. Watch out, Miles. All right.
Well, that's about all we're getting out of that.
Good work. Little icy. Little ice. What are you counting?
How many raptor tails I need to get?
How are you basing it?
The rafters.
Like how many rafters will you? Like
if I do every one.
That's if you do every one. How many is it?
Just under 60.
Okay. And then you tie it then into each truss?
But I might do every other one.
Mm-hmm.
Just because visually it would look nicer.
I think so too. I think it might be too busy with every single one. Okay, hey guys, it's Tuesday. Where's the moon? So pretty. Chris is out. He had to drive to Bancroft today to pick up some hemlock lumber that we're using for the rafters. Rafter tails? On the underside of our roof and covered porch. We're gonna have exposed rafter tails. Anyways, so Chris just called and said, hey, go turn the wood boiler back on. When it's really sunny out, we can like click it off so it conserves wood. So I haven't had to do that yet, so I'm gonna do that. Also, I bought a weighted vest. So I'm gonna use this on my walks. Okay, let's find this wood stove. There's a little side door. I need to flick a switch, so I can handle that. Here we go. This is straightforward. Furnace on. We do keep the light on usually all night. Oh, you can hear it immediately kicks on. Perfect. Okay, look at our pretty little house hiding over there behind our trampoline. It's so funny. All this is quite ghetto fab, we'll say. And then our house is so big and beautiful. You guys, it's beautiful out tonight. Okay, wood stove is on. Going back in. I'm wearing Crocs. They're like clogs. This is our little holding tank right out front. Accessible in ways, but also kind of in the way. All right, sunroom gets cleaned and then just gets destroyed. Hello, Maui. He's commandeered that. It's fine. It's fine. Beautiful. Okay. Chris is gonna hit the house here. What's happening? Oy, oy, oy. Oh, beep, beep, Miles, stay here. We need to unload some material. Chris is seemingly stuck. Oh yeah, and the back door of the van is locked up as of today, yesterday. So we're going to use this side door. Anyways, always an adventure. Miles, you gonna help us unload? It's a no. Looks good there, I guess. Way to go. She's ours now, eh?
Boy, there's a long road ahead.
Good thing. I love that the snow came and then that's just our timing now. It's ours and it's cold and snowy. Whatever. We kind of foresaw this, I guess. At least we got this. Okay, well, realistically, what's the sequence of events? So the roof, obviously like sheeting metal, or no, dovetail, rafter tails first? Is that right?
Well, rafter tails and the underpin.
Yeah. Macho. Yeah, that roof stuff, and then what could we do in here after that? What's the first kind of steps in here?
Frame the walls. Roughly the front.
Oh yeah. You do the interior walls, right? Because it's just like this. I'm excited to see that.
Yeah, frame walls. What makes room for my stomach? Ooh, that's a bendy one. Most of them are pretty. Yeah, and then we'll probably set up a workstation, you know, that's gonna be here for a bit, so. Cutting 2x and.
Okay, Chris got his workbench in here. It's on casters, so he just rolled it right in here. Because now it's all ours, so we got stuff to build and do. Tools to use. Oh, good catch. So yeah, family build happens now. Okay, come show your hat. I'll show you mine. Continuum Yoga. Mama's Yoga Studio. It's a family affair everywhere. very windy today and cold. It's like a wind tunnel in here with a couple of the doors and big sliding windows not covered yet. They keep popping out the vapor barrier. It's so windy. So Chris is on the ladder trying to get the second story ones finished so we can be a little warmer in here. Fun, fun. I'm coming. Okay, Chris is trying to get these top windows sealed in today. It's cold out. My hand's shaking. Guys, what? Let's just wait a bit. We just got out here, honey. You need some sunshine. You should face the sun, okay? You need sunshine in your eyes. What's cold? Your feet? Your toes, okay. Says, what are you going to attempt today, Christopher?
I don't know, we'll find out. Hopefully put the underlayment on the roof.
It's a little breezy out there. And snowy. How are you going to tie in? What can you tether to? Like
skid out there. Log on it.
To a skid with a log. Oh my God.
And there's tie-in points on the roof.
Oh.
Gotta get to the tie-in points without falling off.
On a slippery roof on a windy day.
On a 12-12 pitch, which is not walkable when it's not slippery. Which is fine.
How confident are you feeling? Perfect.
Easier than a tree.
So you just huck that over the roof? Woo! Yeah. I'm just your friendly cameraman now. And then you just pull it back on the other from the other side.
Yep.
And when you get over there, you tie it into the log, I guess.
Yeah. Slack.
And then, so hold on, let me think about this. You're tied into the log.
Yep.
It's up and over the roof.
Yep.
Do you tether it to something on this side also? Or do you, like, can you
No,
just slide off the top of the roof because you're only tied in on one point?
Well, if I go over the peak,
Yeah.
I can slide down the other side. Because I'm only holding on this side.
Mm. And you tie into somewhere up there as well on the peak.
Oh, there's snow drifts up there.
On the roof?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Picked a good time to roof. All right. Chris used that throw line tied to his climbing rope. Pulled it up and over the roof. And he's going to tie in both to the peak of the roof and to a massive log on the other side of the house. It worked.
Is my climbing device still on the ground?
It is, yeah. We want to make sure he's up there safely. Oh, it's windy out, babe. It's windy. I'm nervous for you. All right, Chris is gonna shovel first.
What's that?
You're gonna shovel first?
Yeah. I need a scabbard for my shovel.
I can throw it up to you. Probably knock you in the head with it. Oh, there you go. Making it look easy. Oh my God. I'm nervous. Now you're like Santa. Should I go look at that log?
What's that?
Should I go look at the log?
Yeah, we can check it.
Okay. It is kind of moving. It's very much moving. If you say so.
At least we got a dormer to keep stuff on there.
Oh yeah, that's handy.
It's like a shelf. Shelf dormer.
Here you go. Get down.
upside down. Really a matter.
Oh my god. After all that. Okay. Chris has been out doing the roof for a couple hours. I had to go in and put Miles down for a nap. And it's really snowing now, so oh good. Look. Got a nice chunk done. Looks like he did the whole dormer up to the peak. Nice work, Chris. Good work on the roof, Chris.
Thanks, honey.
Strip this bad boy. These panels aren't seeing any sunshine today. All right, now you're bringing over another bag of firewood.
Yeah, we're going through.
Get warm for the night. Okay, Chris did all the hard work today, so I'm gonna load the wood stove.
When it's like that.
Oh my god. Oh my god, no.
Yeah, you gotta shut it. You gotta shut the blower off first,
Okay.
and then you can load it.
The blower's different than the furnace? Like that's the 2 buttons? Top one is the blower? Oh, okay. Gotta turn that off so it doesn't explode.
Now, because it just shut off,
Yeah.
there's full flame in there,
Yes.
you're gonna want to stand back.
Oh, okay, bye. Oh my god. Jeez. Backdraft.
Yeah.
Pretty full.
Yeah, I just put a bit in it.
Oh, good.
Up over the flash bed.
Oh, no. I'll fix that after.
It's like Adam did make it. He didn't even make it.
He is here?
He just pulled in.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's cute, too. Cute. Cute. Okay. I'm hiding in Kai's room for a second. That's what we got for this week. And I'm going to keep on filming, and I think I'll get back to weekly videos as more is going on now. Yeah, super cool. And we're getting into exciting stuff like choosing the flooring and cabinetry material, and yeah, things I can't wait for. So like and subscribe if you're into this. Like this video, point to the places, boop, subscribe. I don't even know where it is, whatever. Thanks for watching, and I hope you still continue to. I'll see you guys soon. Big love.